Here we're going over how to basically substitute or plug in values for variables in equations. And here, right, x equals 10, we have 4x plus 10. So it's 4x plus 10, and that means what? Well, 4x means 4 times x. In this case, x is 10. So it's 4 times 10, and then we add 10. That's 40 plus 10, or 50, and that's our answer. Now these things can get tricky once you have, let's say, exponents involved. The most common mistake I run across is something like this, when you have, let's say, 3x squared plus 2x. Okay, and then x is equal to 4. What does this mean, 3x squared? Well, this means what? Well, x squared is what's being squared, right? I'm sorry, x is what's being squared. And then we're multiplying it by 3. So this actually means find x squared first and then multiply it by 3. It does not mean 3 times x and then square that. So here when we evaluate this, I'll show you that next, but here when we evaluate this, it's 3 times 4 squared and then plus 2 times 4. And that equals, well, 16 times 3 is 48, right? 48 plus 8 is our answer, 56. So be careful how you deal with exponents. A colleague of mine once told me exponents are sticky. They stick to what's next to them. In this case, the x, and that's all that it's applying to. If you saw this, however, 3x, and then the whole thing, 3x in parentheses, and it's plus 2x, now it's different. Here, if it's x equals 4, well, now what happens is you have 3 times 4, and you're squaring that. So it's 12 squared plus 8. Right, 2 times 4 is 8. That's 144 plus 8, which equals 152. Just be careful how the exponent is placed in these types of problems, and what that, be careful and when you're thinking about what it's referring to. Thanks.